Hi, my name is Margarita Palma. I'm 18 years old. I was born and I live at Barranquilla, Colombia. I live with my family, my two parents, my brothers, and my dogs. Actually, I'm single. I love parades, love draw, and swim. Okay, now I'm going to tell you my experience of a trip. First of all, I went to United States 3 years ago in January. I went in company of my family. It was an amazing trip. We visit aqua parks, adventure parks, Miami Zoo, that it's so big, and eat lots of junk food and typically food of different countries. Now I'm going to give you tips or recommendations related to what to do in the place I describe, in this case United States. Well, I think you must carry clothes for hot and cold because the weather is so crazy. It can be so sunny, and in 1 hour it can be rainy and dark. Generally, the weather is during the day breezy and windy, fresh, but in the night it's so cold. So you should never forgive your forgot your jacket. Always you should use your solar protector, your cap, because you don't even feel at the parks, you don't even feel how your skin is burning because you're enjoying everything, and the weather is so breezy, you are not going to feel that. And I think you should carry your jacket and your umbrella too, because the visit of the parks it's all the day. That's why you should to organize your day before you go out of the house. If your family is big, I think you shouldn't visit a hotel. It's better to rent a house because it's more comfortable. You can make your own breakfast. Breakfast at hotels are horrible, are terrible, and it's more comfortable, are bigger, and I recommend you that you find a house near of the places you want to visit, because taxis are so expensive, and that's why I recommend you to rent a car. It's more cheap because distance are so long. Okay, now some advices to what people should or shouldn't do in that place. Okay, at Miami Zoo, I think you need to rent a car because you can watch everything in one day. It's it's impossible. It's so big. You can do it by foot. Um, I think too you should or you must travel low in suitcase weight, because when you see the variety that they have, you are gonna die because it's amazing. And in some places sell you new suitcases because they know you are going to shop a lot. And these are my pictures at parks. And this is the hotel where we visit. And that's it. Thank you.